Well, congratulations to Angela Rayner and to Keir Starmer, winners today in the election to become the deputy leader and leader of the Labour Party. Angela will be a formidable campaigner, drawing on her own direct experience, her warmth, her empathy, her understanding of what matters in people's everyday lives. And Keir Starmer is somebody we've worked with so closely here in Wales over the last 3 years on the Brexit agenda. A man of formidable intellect, an ability to marshal the detail of any case and to put it over in a way that shows how those things then connect to the things that matter in our everyday lives. I look forward very much, as leader of the Labour Party in Wales and First Minister of the only Labour administration in the United Kingdom, to working with him for the future. Because when coronavirus is over, we cannot simply go back to the way things were before. We've learnt in this crisis that the people who matter are the people there at the front line, the care workers, the nurses, the refuse collectors, the people who serve behind the counter in our stores and shops. Those are the people whose futures we will have to fashion. Those are the people who have always mattered to the Labour Party. And Keir Starmer and Angela Rayner, working with the Labour government here in Wales, we will be determined to put those people at the front of our thinking, creating a fairer, more equal society in which Labour values and a Labour future can be fashioned for us all.